In this video, I'll show how I make my chicken feed with coconuts. And here I am husking the coconuts, that is removing the husks to make it easier to open the coconuts. And we usually do this throughout the Pacific for making coconut cream. But these coconuts, as you can see, are very small. The variety is actually used as an ornamental tree. And because they're so small, we don't use them, so instead we feed them to the chickens. After the coconuts are husked, I crack them using the dull side of the machete, and I try to open them as clean as possible so it's easier to scrape the coconut meat off. And here I am saving the coconut water to make the food more moist, because the chickens, they seem to like the food more when it has more moisture in it. After I've opened all of them, now I'm scraping the coconut meat off the coconut shell, and that way the chickens can eat the coconut meat, with otherwise coconut meat by itself is too hard for them to pick out, so that's why I scrape it to make it easier for them. And here I'm scraping a lot more coconuts than I usually do for them, because I'm about to be off island for 2 weeks, and so that's so the people who are taking care of them have it much easier and don't have to do all the have less work to do, and that's why I'm scraping all the coconuts. And this is all the coconuts I've scraped for the day. I may add more in the next days, but this should last for about 2 weeks, and it will be stored in the fridge. Thanks for watching.